What happens if you get pregnant after a tummy tuck? Well, you'll just probably ruin your tummy tuck. In other words, having a tummy tuck does not affect your ability to get pregnant. It does not affect your ability to have a safe pregnancy. It does not affect your ability to have a safe delivery. All that's going to happen if you have a tummy tuck and then get pregnant is the tightening that we did to tighten up your skin and your muscles is going to stretch out again as you get pregnant, because it needs to, right? When you're pregnant, the baby needs that space, and it makes that space by stretching things out. So you absolutely can get pregnant after a tummy tuck and have a healthy pregnancy. I would recommend that you try to hold off on having an abdominoplasty until you no longer plan to get pregnant again, because the pregnancy will undo a lot of the benefits of a tummy tuck. So keep that in mind. But if you've had a tummy tuck in the past and you decided you really want to have another child, you absolutely can. It's just going to stretch out what was tightened up by the abdominoplasty. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.